भाई साहब खतरनाक हवा चल रही है। और इस दिस कैमरा एंगल पीछे चले जाता है, अंधेरा हो जाता है। भाई साहब क्या गंदा मौसम हो रहा है। कोई बात नहीं, भगवान को यही मंजूर है तो यही सही। छुके कुछ बात नहीं है, आप बैठो। लाइट भी चली गई भाई साहब, कुछ भी। प्लीज गॉड प्लीज ऑफ द रिक्रिएट रिट्राई क्या होता है। Hi everyone, this is me Nidhi. Hi everyone, this is me Nidhi. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. And if you're watching this face for the first time, then subscribe to my channel because I make videos related to fashion and beauty. So if that is your niche, then go and subscribe to my channel. And if you're not following me on Instagram as well, this is my handler. You know the drill. Go and follow me there as well. So for today's video, I have something very interesting because this element of styling is all over my Pinterest and Instagram. My board is filled with this element. So I have seen lots of people are styling their outfits with a very interesting way. So I'm gonna try this element today with all of you and for all of you. So that element is a scarf. So as you can see, I have lots of scarves, but mostly मेरे पास pink, reds, orange, like all the warm tones, and then a little bit green you can see. So these are the scarves I'm going to use. And तो जो मैंने inspirations देखी हैं तो mostly they are wearing it on top of their outfits. So if you have an outfit, then maybe they are wearing a scarf as a belt or maybe a outer layer of a top. So I'm gonna try that one today. So चलो शुरू करते हैं because I have lots of things to show you all. So I have curated some outfits for you guys. So there are shorts, there are trousers, there are skirts, tops and everything, and jewelry. So I think it's gonna be so much fun. So yeah, let's go start it. And I'm gonna change the camera angle a little bit, so the camera will go a little far so you can see the full look of me. And I'm not gonna make the video really long, तो जल्दी से शुरू करते हैं because नहीं तो बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लगने वाला है because I need to find the shoes and clothes and everything. तो यार चलो जल्दी शुरू करते हैं. तो I'm already have my bracelets and watch, some stack situation going on, तो मेरे को बार बार चेंज नहीं करना पड़ेगा. I'll be wearing this throughout the video. तो चलो बाकी की चीज़ें सॉर्ट आउट करते हैं. आज की वीडियो में तो मैं पजामा ही पहनी थी. So let's face the reality because God is also not favoring me today. So this is what this is. So for the first outfit, I'm gonna do this beige pants and this bluish button-down shirt. So yeah, I'm gonna change and come back. So yeah, for the first one, I have this base. So what we gonna do? Which scarf should we wear? Okay, so for this one, I'm gonna take my green scarf. So what we're gonna do? I'll come closer a little bit. I'm gonna sit down so you can see better. I'm gonna close the top button as well. So I'm gonna do this trick, I think. That's what. So I'm gonna place this one corner of the scarf on the button and then I button it. So it will cover the button with the scarf. It's too difficult. Yes. Yes, like this. It has green element. And then, but अगर आपका scarf इतना बड़ा है and it can tie at the back, then I think you should tie it. So yeah, I'm gonna do that and come back. Okay, this looks so funny. Chicken. Then I'm gonna tie it like this, and I'm gonna fold my shirt. Fold my sleeves. Okay, now I'm gonna do this one, but my scarf is a little small, so I'm gonna pin it. Yes, so I did it like this, and yeah, तो नीचे के बटन ऐसे खुले ही रहने हैं ताकि ऐसे थोड़ा सा कट आउट वाला इफेक्ट आ सके. And then this part should be here, and yeah, I think this looks very good. So I think this is the one way how you can style it. And I love the ruching wala effect tummy base. So yeah, it cinched the waist and everything, and it looks good, really good. So I love it. I think I can definitely wear this to my office, or you have to go somewhere corporate, or maybe dinner. Yeah, it's perfect. Looks lovely. And I think I'm gonna change the earrings, and I'll be wearing these big heart earrings. Yes, and with this I think you can wear heels or maybe flats, or if you want to wear then shoes as well. So I think whatever, this look can be worn many ways, like casual, corporate, formal, हर तरीके से. So yeah, I think this looks really good. So right now I'm not wearing any shoes, so you can choose whatever you want to wear. So yeah, I'm just showing you the idea of styling a scarf. Okay, so for the second one I have quite similar, so you can just tuck this part, so you have the half cropped off effect, and this way also you can wear it. This is quite similar, but yeah, you can change the scarf if you want to some other color, and you can still wear it. So this is also quite similar. I have just folded it, nothing much. And for this one I think you can go for bigger earring if you want, otherwise you can keep the same. Should I change the scarf? Yes, chalo badal ke dekhte hain. But be careful with the safety pin because it will give you a patch. So for the second one I'm gonna change the scarf to this pink one, and gonna do something similar. So let's try, because I don't know, वो वाला scarf इतना thin था, still the button was a tough task for me to pass through this hole. And अब ये थोड़ा सा, yes, like this. And now I'm gonna fold it into half, क्योंकि ये डबल में नहीं जा रहा था, इसलिए मैंने हाफ में ही नॉट लगाने का सोचा. And now I'm gonna, this one is quite big, so I can tie this around. And yeah, and this looks more casual to me. So I'm gonna change my earring and I'll come back. So with this one I have bigger hoops because they look so awesome, and this is thoda sa party vibe, so yeah, and casual also. So yeah. And I have added one more bracelet to my stack. I think if this is a great idea to include one more color to your outfit if your outfit is quite boring. So I think it's a good idea to invest in scarves now. You know ideas. So yeah, now you can wear it this. And there is one more, I think, way to wear scarf only without any layering inside, so that is another way. But if you're not comfortable wearing a scarf only as a scarf, then I think this is a great way you can include scarves in your tops, t-shirts and shirts, so you don't feel naked actually. So yeah, I feel this looks very good. Like, I did not expect this much, but it looks very nice. I love it. I'm gonna change and come back. Don't go anywhere. Okay, so for the second one, I have this setup. So I have this half sleeve from Zudio men's section. I think I know and you know, everybody know now. So yeah, this is from men's section. And for the bottom, I have a skirt from Zara, which I styled in my first or second video. So yeah, this is that. There is short underneath and then the skirt. I love it. These are the best thing about the skirts, sorry. And for the scarf, I'm gonna take this simple one. My god, this is too bright. It's so dark everywhere. I have this much light only, so I'm sorry. So yeah, I'm gonna take this scarf because my shirt is already printed, so I want something which is plain, and I'm gonna use it as a belt. Yeah, I think this is the best. And I have an idea, what if I pair a golden belt along with this scarf? Let me try and I'll come back. I think I like it. Let me know. This is also from Zara and it's written love. So there is E, there is heart as a O, and no, heart as a V, and moon as O, and then L. I think it looks like boot, but I don't know. So yeah, I think I'm gonna wear this. And I found this lovely layered chain which I'm gonna wear, and I'm gonna keep them in, so it just adds an element to the neck. Yes, I think it looks marvelous. And I'm gonna find the right shoes. Wait. And for the shoes, I think I'm gonna do my Mary Jane's, the black one. And yeah, I think those are looking amazing. And for the bag, I think you can keep a black bag if you want. But yeah, this is how you can incorporate scarf one more way to add a little dimension to your outfit. And this is giving me thoda Govinda wala feel also. So yeah, this is the third option. I love it. I can totally wear this outside. It's lovely. Okay, so I have two more looks left and the weather is not weathering. You can see the light flickering. Yes, I think. Come on. तो चलो दो और लुक करने हैं मुझे, तो फटाफट कर लेते हैं because as you can see the lighting is going really bad now, so it's too dark outside. और अभी सिर्फ 4 बजे हैं. Can you believe this? I'm gonna change and then come back. Okay, so for the second last outfit, I have this option. So these are double waisted pencil skirt from Zara, and these shirts are quite old, and these were from H&M, I think. मैंने सेल में ली थी कुछ 600 or 500 में. So yeah, that was it. And I'm gonna fold the sleeves very randomly. You don't have to be precise. And these hats are really, I think, very useful because you can make any outfit, boring outfit, very fun and colorful with the scarf. So I think this is a good idea actually. So I have folded like a broad band kind of thing this time, and I'm gonna tie again. Yes, so this one is more like a band, not a triangle or anything. There is यहाँ पे pleats and cinching, तो अच्छे से waist में effect आता है. And yeah, and I'm quickly gonna grab my earrings and I'm gonna come back. Wait, I think I'm gonna ditch the earrings and do this chunky necklace instead, because I think then it will add more attention here, which I really want. And the key is to keep the button open till as low as possible, so it will look nice. And wear something fancy inside, like don't wear your regular bras. That is the key, because अगर कुछ दिखता भी है तो अगर you're wearing a bralette or anything like this, so it will be fashion. Otherwise it will be a malfunction. Now I'm gonna add this. Yes, I think this looks better. And I think with this one also I can do my Mary Janes, which will look perfect with this. I think मैंने जितने भी look किए हैं, we can do Mary Janes with all of them. If you have matching color, then you can go match your outfit together. But since I'm giving an option, so I'm gonna keep black only. So yeah, this is the fit. I think this looks very good. I can totally wear this to my office or any meeting, or if I want to go for shopping, then I think yeah, it's comfortable and chic both at the same time. What do you think? Let me know. I love it. And here I have a little bit pink, blue, red and green, everything. So I think it adds perfect color to the outfit because it's plain black and white. Okay, so let's quickly do the last outfit because I don't think God has any plan to let me shoot today. So yeah, we are running out of time and the weather. So let's quickly do that one as well. So yeah, so the last fit is this one. So I have this mesh skirt from Zara, and the shirt is also from Zara. So this is very slim fit, so it's already cinching my waist, but we will add a little element with the scarf. So for this look, I think with khaki, this red one will be really nice. So I'm gonna tie first. We'll see what we can do. I forgot to cut the tag, but going, we don't have the time. So now I think we have very less element with red, so I'm gonna flip it and tuck it in. So I have this shape going on here, and with this look I think I'm gonna do these very pretty twisted earrings. So yeah, I made a bun because it was pony before, but I think since I'm wearing a long earring, so my earrings can do the job. So I kept a bun, And yeah, I think this is the last and final look. I'm wearing my Mary Janes. Yeah, I'm wearing my Mary Janes, and yeah, I think this is the look. You can totally rock this. Yeah, let me know how do you like this look, because I love it. I love them all because now I know another way to style my scarf with different outfits and for different purposes as well. So yeah, it's very fun, I think. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. So that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this video because I though really did, because I have learned a lot. Like now I can style my outfit many ways with my scarves as well. So yeah, this is something new for me and I enjoyed it a lot. And if you also did, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you retry any of the outfit or you create something new with a scarf, please let me know. I would love to know, and share your thoughts and feedbacks on the comments. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.